click on the button. On the top left, click on כניסה לאזור אישי. For ease of use, put the site in English. First step, register on the misrad הקליטה website. Click on Register Now. If you are already registered, skip this step. Enter your name and surname in Hebrew. If you don't have a Hebrew keyboard, click on the link in the description box of this video and you will find a virtual keyboard in Hebrew. Fill in your details as requested. Choose text, SMS, to receive your confirmation code. Choose two methods of identification as requested on the site. We think that credit card, תעודת עולה, or Israeli passport are the easiest methods, but you are free to choose. For this tutorial, we have chosen the credit card and Israeli passport. At any time, you can call us at 058-716-7453 and we will help you in the process. Create your password with the requirements on the site and confirm your password. Keep it safe and you will need it in a minute. Enter the code you received by email and click Next. Enter the new confirmation code received by SMS this time and wait for the loading time. Click on the login button. Now you're back on the login page. Enter your תעודת זהות number and the password you just chose. You have received the new code by SMS. Enter it and click on the button. You are now redirected to this page. If this is not the case, you can call us at 058-716-7453 and we will assist you by phone. Unfortunately, this part of the site is not in English. We will direct you as best as we can. Click on פרטים אישיים. This is the icon with the little man. Scroll down the page to the link under the money, לכל הפרטים. Click on the link. You can change the page to English by clicking on the top left. Click on Inquiry to my absorption counselor in the menu. Click on New Inquiry. Click on Choose the topic and choose Ulpan Vouchers for learning the Hebrew language. In the drop-down menu subtopic, choose Application for an authorization of eligibility in principle. In Inquiry Details, write, I want to receive my voucher for a private Ulpan. I want to learn at Ulpan Integralia. Check Greeting. On SMS, enter your phone number. On email, enter your email. Click on Submit and Inquiry. That's it. Good luck and see you guys here.